Hi guys, welcome to Walkie Talkie. So here is the trick to apply filters. Stop entering manually each and every line. Instead, if you want to see, okay, where are potatoes? I'll select the whole table, Alt D F F, go to potato or let's say beetroot. Okay, there is one beetroot which I'll enter the price for. Now I'll check for potatoes. Okay, there are three. I will not enter manually. Instead, I will select the whole column, Alt semicolon, which will lock my cells, and Control D, which is control down. And this is how I can paste or drop down the whole column without manually entering each and every cell. Let's try for other stuff. Like, for example, onion. So onion is of 150 rupees. Instead of manually adding 150, I will go to the last column, Control Shift up arrow, lock my cells and press Alt semicolon and Control D. Don't forget to lock your cells when you are Control down arrow so that the other data does not get disturbed. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let's say I have written 50 and this is how I will write 50, and to open the filter I'll type Alt DFF or Alt DFS. So this is how you apply filter and get the data with the control down option so that you don't have to manually enter data in the cell.